Hello, welcome to the Smarter Measure Learning Readiness Indicator tutorial series. Creating a test taker group has many custom features, including modifying the tool order, group preferences, altering readiness ranges, modifying the reading passage, and the student report preferences. To begin, go to admin.smartermeasure.com and log in using your username and password. From the dashboard view, click Manage Account. Then click Admin and Test Taker Groups. Once you've designated which administrative login you would like to create the test taker group under, click Add Test Taker Group. The first thing to do is to assign a group name and a username and password. Then we reach the tool order. Now keep in mind all of these custom features are within this particular test taker group. In the tool order, it allows you to modify the order at which the student sees the tools. For example, if you would like to move life factors to the end, simply click and drag it to the bottom of the list. You may also undo that change. If there are any sections you would like to omit, such as the typing speed and accuracy, you may simply click and drag it to the gray box. You can do that on any number of sections you choose. And of course you can make the modifications once again. You may also select the appropriate reading level. Our higher ed version defaults to the 11th grade level, but it also provides you the option to select an alternative reading grade level if you so choose. The learning styles, we have two current components for the higher ed education version. One of them is a 35-point questionnaire on the 3-point scale, and one is a 21-point questionnaire on a 4-point scale. So you have the option to choose which is most appropriate. You also have the ability to alter the readiness ranges. For more information about the readiness ranges, click Learn More. They have been preset. This is where your failed, questionable, and passed is reflected on the Data at a Glance view. Keep in mind, only the administrators see this portion. No students are able to view this information. To alter them, you would simply change the appropriate number, which is a higher percentage that you want the student to meet before being able to move forward. Once you've made appropriate changes in that section, we now come to group preferences. The first thing you'll need to determine is if you're going to go the sequential mode or the disaggregate mode of the assessment. Sequential mode is our most commonly used. For more information about the disaggregate mode, you can contact your sales manager. Also determine if you would like to show the national averages chart to your students or have that blocked. And then our last option is the results mode. It does default to students being able to see their full Smarter Measure report. We also provide the option for you to add a custom message onto the student report. Anything you would like to include in this box will then be reflected on the report. Perhaps you want the student report to be masked. This simply means the student will not get their report, and you can provide custom text only. The administrators will still be able to view the report and share it with students, but students will not get their report immediately. And then lastly, you may redirect your students to a URL of your choosing by typing that in this section. Again, the students will not get their Smarter Measure report. However, the administrator would still be able to view it. Smarter Measure report in custom text is our most widely used and what we recommend. Once you've made your changes, you can click Save and scroll down, and you're able to view your new student test taker group that you created.